Hello everybody, it's Matt Larson again at InfoComm with rAVe. We want to show you some other products that we have. So we've got the Quantum 225, which has a single screen that allows me to mount an actual monitor on here for my recording software or whatever you want to have. It could be also that your client controller could be on there if you wanted. You also have the option to add the dual screen. So that's a simple upgrade that I can even do to a desk that's been sold a couple years ago. You just pull out the metalwork and put the second screen in. Takes about a half hour to do. What I want to go to next is over to the Quantum 326 and the Quantum 338, and everybody magically parted ways. So you can see this is the Quantum 326, which is kind of the size of a 225, but this has the engine of the Quantum 338, so a lot more ins and outs. This has got our standard faders in it, and then when we look over at the Quantum 338, what you'll notice is this is rocking with the new premium fader, so you can tell that by it's got the silver faders. You can order it as a standard fader or with the premium, or if you have a desk already, you can also do the premium fader upgrade kit. So thanks a lot for coming to InfoComm, guys. You have a great day. It's hot here in Vegas.